You may have cash, but do you got class? Alright guys, it's your boy Inspired. Now in today's topic, I want to talk about 10 things that money cannot buy, guys. This gotta be in your nature. If you haven't read it yet, like, comment, subscribe, and join the Inspired team where we get better, do better, and be better. Number one, that's manner. A lot of y'all don't have no manner, and it shows. You guys out here being disrespectful, being rude, being unkind to people who's kind to you, who's not rude to you, and who actually show you respect. You know, if you trying to get across the room or something, just say, "Excuse me." You know, a lot of you guys, you know, having manner is just like treating people with courtesy and politeness. Try not to be arrogant. Try not to be boastful. People are having an A and B conversation and you jumping in saying stuff like, "Hey, see your way out." It's an A and B conversation. The way you are to people is gonna come back to you. If you're kind to somebody, somebody's gonna be kind to you too. You know, you get what you get what you put out. Number two, y'all, and that's moral. A lot of you guys don't even have morals nowadays. Who raised you? Being all disrespectful, being all bad, being bad shouldn't be glorified as you being a man or as you being a bad bee. I want you to have some morals. Treat others like how you want to be treated. Don't cheat, don't lie, have a lot of courage, don't hurt people, and just be respectful, man. The key word today is respect. Okay? Oh, speaking of respect, that goes to the third most awesome thing that money cannot buy you. Okay? Respect can go a long way. It can come from you encouraging people, you helping people, you're doing things for people, and they're doing things for you. And out of respect, you don't step on each other's boundaries. We all have different goals and different paths in life. One might be an engineer and one might be a superstar, you know. And it's good to respect the fact that everybody got a different lifestyle, everybody got different phases in life. Don't judge them, just respect that they're living their life to the fullest, just like how you are, right? Number four, that's character. That's who you are as a person. That's who you are, okay? It's not with your family, your friends, or the social media see you as a person. It's you knowing yourself as a person. The man in the mirror, the woman in the mirror. Your character defines who you are as a person. Where you're gonna be, where you're gonna go, how you carry yourself. So try to carry yourself well, with dignity, with respect, and with love. If you're truthful and you're honest, and you're kind to people, look, that shows a lot about your character. That means you could be trusted and you could be loved. It's okay to put your guards up, but put the guards up for the right reason. And try to be a main character in your life and do what's necessary and do what's right. Number five, y'all, common sense. Look, believe it or not, y'all, common sense ain't really common to people. And that's number five on things that money cannot buy. Common sense is pretty much you being practical, and a lot of people aren't practical as well. You know, they hear something, they jump to conclusion for no apparent reason. Like, hold on, chill. Get the facts straight before you regulate. Now that's common sense. The sixth thing money cannot buy is trust. Trust is reliability. You know what I mean? It's like, I could trust my friend to come pick me up if my car broke down. You know? And that's the thing money can't buy. No, let me take that back. Money can buy that. Money can get you a toll. Sixth thing money can't buy is trust. Having trust is just reliability. Number seven, and that's patient. Money could buy you time, but it can't tolerate your emotion. Understand that? It's a big difference, y'all. You could pay for your time, you can pay for everything. But if you're, let's say, just like anybody else, you go through the DMV line, you gotta wait just like anybody else. You can't cut in line. So you gotta have patience. Now, you know how frustrating that is? Especially when you balling and you got things to do. You do not want to be in the line just waiting. Number 8, y'all, and that's class. It's important for you to be a classy woman, a classy gentleman, and here's the reason why. Being that just means intelligent, polite, and distinguished. Money cannot buy your morals, honesty, and principle. And that's the reason why integrity is so important. And number 10, y'all, the main important thing, money cannot buy love. It can't buy this. You know what I mean? And this is everything in the world. Look like a heart? That's how it look like when you got money. You don't need it. Money could buy you affection, money could buy you a good time, but money cannot buy you true, genuine love and affection. Okay? Just remember guys, money comes and go, but having class, having manners, having integrity, having respect, having all that I just mentioned, you know, makes you rich as F. You know what I mean? You're richer than you know. Video, and that's 10 things money cannot buy. I hope this video helped you guys out in terms of if you're having an issue with money and you feel like you're not good enough or whatever, just remember, if you got this 10 things, this 10 traits in you, you're very rich. You're not spiritually broken. And I do hope and pray that you will get to your destination in life, or wherever you go, all your wishes may come true. Money's gonna come to you regardless. You wanna know why? Because you live to inspire. And you are great. And you are perfect just the way you are. Alright y'all, I'll see you guys next time in the next motivational, inspirational video. If you haven't read it yet, like, comment, subscribe, and join the Inspire team, man, where we get better, do better, and we be better. Let's get it, let's go. Peace.